going on, guys? So today we're talking about an EDC setup for when you're swimming or underwater, or in my case going to a water park, you know, something like that, hanging out at the pool, going to the beach, what have you. If there's a situation where you're going to be in and around water, your EDC might change up a little bit. For me, it's all in my swim trunks. All right, I have two pairs of swimming shorts, or swim trunks, if you will. This is the fun lobster one. But anyway, if you're a dude watching, you know that when you have swim shorts or swim trunks, they usually have an inside pocket. All right. More times than not, this pocket is really meant there for like keys. Like let's say you rent a locker somewhere, if you happen to be, you know, at a pool, or in this case, maybe an amusement park or something like that. So you rent a locker. This is where you might want to put that key so you don't lose it. Sometimes people put change in there. You can do whatever you want with it. I know people who just cut it out of the shorts. They never use it. All right, but there's more than likely going to be some kind of a hidden pocket inside of your swim trunks. That's where I house my EDC. Now, in this particular case, this pair has a back pocket. All right, some Velcro in case you want to throw a wallet or something. Here's a little drainage hole. That's cool, but guess what? When I'm in the water, specifically swimming, like being submerged, this is all I have on me is what's in this little pocket. All right, I of course will always have a full EDC setup that's somewhere nearby, whether it's in a locker or in a bag that's secured or with another person, whatever it is. But a lot of stuff changes. I don't have my wallet with me. I don't have a cell phone with me because my particular cell phone is not waterproof. I know some people have waterproof phones now, which is awesome. I think that's very cool. Maybe an upgrade in the future. You know, don't have a neck knife. A neck knife is not something I wear when I'm submerged in water or swimming or doing rides. All right, specifically at an amusement park or water park, when you're doing rides like that, I think it's kind of dangerous to have the neck knife on for obvious reasons. It can get tangled on something, you know, who knows. Or worst case scenario, it flies out when you're actually doing a dip or something and hits someone else on the ride, which would not be a good thing. In fact, most amusement parks don't allow you to have loose items with you anyway. So going on to the pocket. What is in the pocket? So this is my swimming EDC. Open up the little pocket here. We have a little split ring, and on the split ring is 3 items. That's it, just 3 items. So anyway, let's go over the specific tools here. All right, so the knife is a Spyderco Bug. All right, all stainless steel, slip joint. I will say that the better option would be something that can't rust, such as the Spyderco Salt line. If you're familiar with it, it has H1 steel, which is not rustable. I've done testing many, many years ago on H1 steel. All right, so that's something you can actually just have just a knife in this little pocket on your swim trunks. You never have to touch it. They can be soaking wet. You can leave them wherever, or you know, throw them in the washing machine. Doesn't really matter. You'll never have an issue with that knife ever. Any of them. I would say get the biggest one that fits in the pocket comfortably. But I chose this one just because it's small and I happen to already have it. All right. In my particular case, when I'm done swimming, I'm done, you know, using my swim trunks or whatever, when I have a chance, I do completely dry this off to make sure there's no rust issues, and I do re-oil just a little drop on either side around the pivot so it's nice and smooth. All right, next item here is a whistle. This one is from Alpha Innovations. Got this a long time ago, and it works fine. This is probably the most practical thing to have, just because if you're swimming somewhere, whether it be the beach or the pool or out in the ocean somewhere or amusement park, who knows what, God forbid you're in some kind of trouble, maybe you're extremely tired, now you're just kind of floating on the surface. If you are, let's say, in the ocean, maybe you see a small shark or something, who knows? There's a million different scenarios where you might want to get someone's attention while you're in the water. And it might not just be yourself. Maybe you see someone else in distress. Maybe you're, you know, at a public pool and the lifeguard's talking to someone and some kid's splashing in the corner and they might be drowning. It'd be nice to whip out a whistle and blow it and get everyone's attention to see that kid so you can get some help, right? And then lastly, I have a flashlight. This is a Spotlight brand flashlight. I don't recall the model or anything, but I actually added a little red O-ring to this because how this one works is when you twist it all the way down tight is when the circuit is connected and the light goes on. So when it's not in use, it's backed off a little bit and there was a crack there. All right, so obviously I don't want water getting into it, so I've added a little red O-ring. All right, so now it's nice and sealed. I already tested this, you know, keep it in a cup of water overnight, 24 hours, and it's not getting in there at all, so it's totally fine to be submerged in water. So that is my actual EDC while I'm swimming. Now, of course, once I hit dry land, I have my regular EDC stuff in a bag secured close by. But while in the water, I have a couple tools, which is nice. So let me know in the comments section down below, do you utilize this little pocket for something? And if you do, what's in there? Do you have a little EDC when you're swimming? Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.